Hey, it's Nisa, and today we're going to be unboxing the December Premium SketchBox. So this time I'm going to try to make it quick like the older video that I had done because everyone seems to like that a lot better. So first up we have the Artist of the Month. Then we have the menu for the December box. We have the Winsor & Newton watercolor marker. This retails for $5.99. Oh, and don't forget about the SketchBox sticker. Next we have the Princeton Neptune Script Size 1 brush. This retails for $7.95. Marabou Graphics Aqua Ink in dark violet retails for $2.99. This is one of the staff favorites they've picked for the box. Sennelier watercolor half pan retails for $8.95. Next we have a Daniel Smith custom dot card. This item does not have a retail price since it's exclusive. Pentel fiber tipped sign pen in black retails for $1.79. Legion Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press watercolor paper in a 5x7 block retails for $13, and this is another staff favorite for the box. So without a price for the Daniel Smith dot card, since it's an exclusive item, the entire contents of the box totals at $40.67. The cost of a premium monthly box is $40, so we definitely at least got our money's worth. Thanks for watching. See you guys next month.